All right, everyone. Hello. Welcome to the first of many solution videos for while loop worksheet 1. In question 1, we're going to do and create a program that finds and prints sum of squares starting from 2 until that total sum exceeds 200. So in this question, there's no input. We're just going to be starting at 2 with the square is 4, and then continuously increase our base, square that value, and add it up to a total sum until that total sum exceeds 200. So I'm going to create a variable called start equals 2. And a total sum variable is 0. I haven't added anything yet, so I'm initializing that to 0. Our starting base is 2. So our starting base. And then we're going to continuously square the variable start and increase it by 1 every iteration and add that to our total sum. So we're going to say while our total sum less than or equal to 200. We want to exceed 200, so we're writing our Boolean condition to be total sum is less than equal to 200. So while that is true, I'm going to continuously loop the code in my while loop. We're going to say total sum is equal plus equal to start squared. So I'm adding the square of my start variable onto total sum at every iteration. And every time I do that, I'm also going to increase start by 1. So in the next iteration, I'm going to square 3 and add that to total sum. Then 4 squared, 5 squared, then 6 squared. I don't know when this is going to end, but I do know that it's going to end when total sum is greater than 200. So let's print that total sum. Here we go. And it will be 203. Uh, to see how many iterations we have done, or to see what number's been added on, I'm going to add in a print statement inside the while loop to show you which value's been added. So here, I'm going to be saying printing start squared as added. So let's see how many iterations we do. So we're going to add the square of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The total sum 4, we get to 203. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 iteration before. Thank you for watching. Stay classy.